head. How tall are you?
Ew. What is this?
Wow. You're not afraid anymore?
Yeah, I'm not afraid anymore about this. Yeah, I was a little girl. Okay, we have some instructions. And what is this? Ew! Really disgusting, isn't it? Yep, you got that right. It's just like Disney's Animal Kingdom Park. Just like so. Wow, look at that underwater!
Courtney.
Look at all those bubbles. See those bubbles that moving up around here? They're all the fishes. Okay. Look at all this rain. And it's really weird. Looks like this is a restaurant. Okay, we're ready to go. We're in the entrance right now.
He doesn't like
Want a balloon? Totally like that.
So, do you want a balloon?
I don't want a balloon. Oh, yes, I want it. But yes. What a frog mascot.
Get it.
Oh, I got it. Balloon challenge accepted.
Zoe, Zach, this way.
Okay, we're going this way.
Wow!
I'll push you right here. That was so amazing.
You want me to hold it?
Oh my God! Wow! That elephant was really real. Did you see that? The elephant is moving!
Oh, wow.
And the butterfly was real. Look at this elephant. It's moving with that light. And the butterfly just moves up again. Wow. And there's the parrot. Oh my God. And look at his name. Endless name. Well, kids playing games, of course. Oh yeah, my favorite song from Katy Perry. Oh yeah, Rainforest. Like that guy. Rainforest.
I'll order for 3 of us. He wants the noodles. You just make them with butter.
Oh my God! That's the weirdest thunder I ever seen. Oh my God!
Get something else.
Oh God!
Mashed potatoes with no gravy. Did you have a little butter on that? Yeah. Oh, they are?
Weirdest thunder I ever
Give me 4.
This is magic!
And then, it's probably not on the kids menu, but she wants regular
Look at that, they're moving again.
Yeah, okay.
Oh my
Oh, it
God!
is? Okay.
Now that's again. No, that's again, which is only for my side.
And then I'm going to...
Now, which is this? It was the rainforest.
I know what
Watch
I
out
want.
for
Let
me.
me tell you. Can I get the flat iron combo? Yeah. How would you like that one? Medium well.
Wow.
Well? Medium well? Yeah, medium well. And on the shrimp or chicken? I'll get fried shrimp.
Oh my God, this thunder was so magic! Oh my God. Oh, going bananas. Anything else like that? Are you going to eat up all the time? How did I get the stupid using of this? Guess what? Where I come from, Chloe's biggest birthday ever. Well, relative.